This murder never actually happened, but millions of people believed it was real. AI created the world's first fake serial killer.
A husband had a gay love affair with his stepson, and the whole thing ended in a grisly murder. It's a story everyone's talking about. It prompted tons of calls to police and to the newspapers, and the reason you haven't heard about it is that it's completely fake.
A video about a supposed murder in Littleton went viral this week. Millions of views online. Only one problem. It's totally false. Our Kelly Rinke talked to a district attorney who's worried AI technology could impact real cases.
Every single day, thousands of crime stories are uploaded online. Some are real, others are so convincing, even experts struggle to tell the difference. But in 2026, artificial intelligence created something entirely new: fake murders, fake victims, and fake evidence. A world where the line between truth and fiction is slowly disappearing. And the scariest part? Millions of people completely fell for it. It all started with a 43-second video. In the footage, a man walks slowly towards the camera. Late at night, there's blood on his clothes. The Birmingham butcher has returned. Within 24 hours, the video hit over 18 million views. People panicked. Comments flooded in. "I live near Birmingham, police need to investigate this." This is terrifying. But then, something shocking was discovered. The man in the video didn't even exist. The entire video was generated using artificial intelligence. The face was fake. The blood was fake. The CCTV footage was fake. Even the voice was fake. An anonymous creator used AI tools to invent a fictional serial killer just to chase views online. But the real problem started afterwards. Because internet algorithms reward fear, the more frightened people become, the faster content spreads, and fake crime videos often travel quicker than real news stories. Psychologists say the human brain reacts emotionally before it reacts logically. And when a video includes shaky cameras, police sirens, emotional voices, CCTV filters, our brains instinctively assume it's real. That's exactly what these AI creators are exploiting. In another viral case, AI generated the story of a missing teenage girl. Fake parents, fake interviews, fake search parties. People became so emotionally invested, they even donated money online. But there was one problem. The girl never existed. So why are people creating fake crime stories? The answer is simple: money. Fear is one of the most profitable emotions on the internet. The more shocking the thumbnail, the more disturbing the title, the more clicks the video receives, and more clicks means more revenue. AI has now created entire content factories, capable of producing fake documentaries every single day. No actors, no cameras, no real crime, just a laptop and an AI generator. Experts are now warning, in the future, we may not be able to tell the difference between real crimes and artificial ones. In 2026, another disturbing incident went viral. A fake police announcement appeared online. In the video, an officer warned citizens to stay indoors. Please remain inside your homes until further notice. The voice sounded authentic. The uniform looked genuine. Even the news graphics appeared completely real. But none of it was real. The entire broadcast had been generated by AI. The video caused genuine panic. Schools temporarily closed. Parents rushed to collect their children. All because of a fake AI-generated warning. This was no longer just internet entertainment. It had become mass manipulation. There was a time when photographs were considered proof. Then videos became proof. But now, even reality itself can be fabricated. AI isn't just generating images anymore. It's generating believable realities. Realities capable of controlling human emotions. Fear, anger, sadness. All artificially created. And perhaps, this is only the beginning. So next time you watch a horrifying crime story online, take a moment and ask yourself, is this actually real? Or is AI manipulating millions of people again? Subscribe for more dark documentaries exploring the hidden side of the internet, because the next story might be even more disturbing.